Hello, today I'm showing you the thing that I ordered from MCM's online website. So it came with this box and a thank you letter, I guess. Basically, this is just the receipt for the purchase from MCM's website. So got this side over there. I did open this already, so I'm just got this little box. This is my first purchase from MCM website. Look at that. So I got this for $195, but they do offer free shipping, and I also got a 10% discount apparently for new members. This is, I guess, the item tag, and then this one is the warranty card. It says 1 year limited warranty. So we got our limited warranty card, and it's I guess directions and other cards. Okay, so comes with the stuff bag. So I got this mini card case with 6 slots, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, and another side 4, 5, 6. Also, you got some extra space over here, and then another one over here, and also over here I think you can put some bills, folded bills, and you can see over there the MCM brand itself. Okay, the stitches are nice. I don't see any flaw. Okay, so this is my first small luxury good, and I really like the brand MCM, so I'm happy with this purchase. Closer look, and another one over here. There are no loose stitches. Everything looks great. Usually, this is really a handy card case, since I don't carry cash a lot, and I do carry cards most of the time. So yeah, and it's lightweight. The leather is so soft, and it's really good. That's all. Thank you for watching.